let's be realistic for a minute. Am I cooking, huh? I mean, take a look at this, huh? Is this what's happening in professional wrestling, huh?
Very cocky, a lot of charisma.
The most well-known, the best-looking, the best-dressed.
Feeling like
Custom-made
a
clothes,
Ric
gold around my
Yeah.
neck, Rolex watch around my wrist.
Flair.
My shoes cost more than your house.
Feeling
Drive
like
a
a
Lincoln
Ric
Continental,
Flair.
a Mercedes,
Yeah.
a Rolls, or a
Ric
Corvette.
Flair.
Live in the biggest house
Next.
on the biggest side of town. Jet airplanes. And I got a limousine sitting out there.
Yeah,
a mile long.
yeah.